Dropshipping success. It starts with the right supplier. In the world of dropshipping, your supplier is your most crucial business partner. They hold the key to your products, their quality, and ultimately, your customers' satisfaction. Choosing the right supplier can make all the difference between a thriving business and a failing one. A reliable supplier will ship products on time, provide excellent customer service, and help you resolve any issues quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, a subpar supplier can lead to shipping delays, poor product quality, and frustrated customers, ultimately damaging your brand reputation. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The effort you invest in finding the right supplier will pay dividends in the long run, ensuring a smooth and profitable dropshipping journey.
Where to find dropshipping suppliers. Exploring your options. Your search for the perfect dropshipping supplier can begin in several places, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Online directories are a popular starting point, offering a vast database of suppliers across various niches. These directories, such as Worldwide Directory of Certified Wholesale Suppliers and SaleWho, often provide supplier verification, ratings, and reviews to aid your decision-making process. Another option is to attend trade shows, both online and offline. These events provide an excellent opportunity to meet suppliers face-to-face, examine product samples, and negotiate deals in person. Online marketplaces like AliExpress, Alibaba, and Global Sources are a convenient option for finding a wide range of products and suppliers. While these platforms offer competitive prices and a vast selection, it's crucial to exercise caution and thoroughly vet suppliers before committing. Reach out to other entrepreneurs in your niche, join industry forums, and attend online events to gain valuable insights and recommendations for reliable suppliers. Consider your budget, time constraints, and the level of vetting you're comfortable with when making your choice. The best approach is to explore different avenues and find what works best for your business needs.
Vetting your suppliers. Separating the wheat from the chaff. Once you've compiled a list of potential suppliers, the next crucial step is vetting them thoroughly. This process is about separating the reliable, high-quality suppliers from those who might jeopardize your business. Start by examining their website and online presence. Look for a professional website with detailed product descriptions, clear shipping policies, and readily available contact information. Check online reviews and testimonials from other businesses that have worked with the supplier. Websites like Trustpilot and the Better Business Bureau can provide valuable insights into a supplier's reputation and customer satisfaction track record. Requesting product samples is essential to assess the quality of the goods you'll be selling. By taking the time to carefully evaluate potential suppliers, you can minimize risks and ensure a smooth and profitable dropshipping experience. Thorough vetting is not a step to be rushed.
Section 4. The Art of the Deal. Negotiating with dropshipping suppliers. Negotiating with suppliers is a crucial skill in dropshipping, allowing you to secure the best possible prices and terms for your business. Start by building a relationship with your chosen supplier. Express your interest in a long-term partnership and emphasize the potential for mutual growth. When negotiating prices, be prepared to walk away if the supplier is unwilling to meet your requirements. Having alternative options strengthens your bargaining position and encourages suppliers to offer competitive rates. Consider negotiating for faster shipping times, lower minimum order quantities, or even branded packaging to enhance your brand image. A successful negotiation is one where both parties feel like they've reached a fair and mutually beneficial agreement. By mastering the art of negotiation, you can secure competitive prices, build strong supplier relationships, and maximize your dropshipping profits.
Section 5. Building a lasting partnership. Communication is key. Once you've secured a reliable dropshipping supplier, the key to a successful long-term partnership lies in effective communication. Establish clear communication channels from the outset. Determine the preferred mode of communication, whether it's email, phone, or online platforms, and ensure prompt and professional responses. Regularly communicate your business needs and expectations to your supplier. Open communication is crucial for resolving problems efficiently and preventing misunderstandings that could potentially harm the partnership. By prioritizing clear and open communication, you can build a lasting partnership that benefits both parties.
Section 6. Case study: how a well-chosen supplier can make or break your business. Let's consider two hypothetical dropshipping businesses selling phone accessories, tech gear, and mobile stuff. Both started simultaneously with similar products and marketing strategies. Tech gear invested time in researching and vetting suppliers, ultimately partnering with a reputable company known for its quality products and reliable shipping. Mobile stuff, on the other hand, opted for a supplier offering the lowest prices without conducting thorough due diligence. Within a few months, Tech Gear began receiving positive customer reviews, praising their product quality and efficient shipping. Their reputation for reliability grew, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. Mobile Stuff, however, faced a different reality. Their customers complained about receiving defective products, experiencing significant shipping delays, and encountering unresponsive customer service. This case study highlights the significant impact of supplier choice on a dropshipping business's success.
Section 7. Your path to dropshipping success. Take the next step. Finding the right dropshipping supplier is not just about ticking a box. It's about securing a partnership that can make or break your entrepreneurial journey. By investing time in research, vetting, and negotiation, you can build a strong foundation for your business. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate the world of dropshipping suppliers, it's time to take action. Start exploring the platforms discussed, implement the vetting tips provided, and don't shy away from negotiating the best deals for your business. Your journey to dropshipping success begins with choosing the right supplier. Together, let's turn your dropshipping dreams into a thriving reality.